Hey, guess who? I'm playing Weather Inspectors. You won't believe this. You don't want to think about dandelion shut when it's going to rain and open when it's going to be sunny. Well, we've just had a shower. Mayday surprise. Not really. So I dragged in my washing and sort of covered some of my seedlings because I thought I didn't want to get them thumped in, and I had to put Agatha away in there for now. But that one's open and that one's closed, and it was pointing that way. So I wondered if this cloud that was coming is going to rain over there. That's what I was wondering. The only way to find out. Should I get the washing out or not? I don't know. I'm going to sit and think about it for a minute. I just had a look at these seeds over here. The lupins seem to have come up. They've done it in a loopy fashion. They seem to have thrown themselves on top of the soil, roots and all. Lupins do that. Look, what chaos. Absolute chaos is that. And these ones as well. They may have been chewed by a mouse. That sodding mouse. There's sunflower seeds in there as well. Maybe there are sunflowers. I'm losing track, to be honest. But, I would chew through there as well. Oh, I'll tell you what else I've just seen today. Coffee beans don't seem to have done anything yet. That squash, the first one I bought, I forgot what it's called, because the snails ate the label. The Japanese one, kimchi or whatever it was called. We've got one of those that's come through. Look. I just checked it today. So that's good. We'll have one of those anyway. Well, possibly. At least it's tried. It's tried to grow, and that's the best bit of seeing it happen. It's true. That's part of the fun. How long am I going to risk it till I bring out the washing again? I don't know. I should have a cup of coffee, shouldn't I? I haven't had one yet today. Mayday is all about what? Feasting and laughter. It's true. My son just said Happy Mayday, and I said Happy Mayday, and then what did I say? Something about this. What was it? I've forgotten. My swallows come after and Swiss to the after. Something about something and laughter. It's true. That's what Mayday is for. It's swallowing, isn't it? Of things. And, you know, it's an old country thing. It's swallows, but swallows and Swiss should be here soon. They should be. Hopefully by this afternoon. Oh, may swallows soon follow. That's it. May swallows soon follow. And Swiss to the rafter. Rafters. Blah-de-blah. They eat spiders, don't they? Most of their diet is spiders that have flown up into the sky, apparently. There should be thousands of them here soon. if my plan works properly. There's the sun. I believe that daffodil. What's it called? Dandelion. Dandelion. That's what. Got more grey clouds over there, though. But that one's now pointing up. Maybe it means it's going to rain down on top of us this time. The next lot. I don't know. I'm waiting to see. Those ones are open though. So that's 3-1. And there's one over there as well, it's open. That's 4-1 to the dandelions. The dandelion predicting service. But we just don't know what this one's doing. But we're just still fine-tuning. Fine-tuning the dandelion weather centre. It's true. The clocks have blown off that one though. I don't know. I haven't picked any flowers, no. Isn't May Day the only day it's supposed to be the only time it's okay to have hawthorn in the house? I think. I took some to somebody before May Day. Not that I always follow those rules, but it is... particularly. She unscrews the top of a new whiskey bottle, shuffles around in a candlelit hovel, like some kind of witch with blue fingers in mittens. She smells like the cat and the neighbours she sickens. The black and white TV has long seen a picture. The clock on the wall is a permanent fixture. Postman delivers the final reminder. She sells off the silver and poodles in China. Why is there a glove in there? Well, I put it in the spider the other day, the torch shell one. What else did I put in there? Piece of venison. Only a tiny piece. I don't know what I wanted to eat. And a folded up tea towel. Why the glove though? Well, partly because I was cleaning out under where the dog goes and cleaning out the spider webs and things like that, and just dusting it down with, terps or whatever it was I had. No, it was the floor, I think. And the other day I had that little tiny spider come up with a glove. Spiders like gloves, don't they? So I just popped it one up there so it knew it could be in that one. During the wartime, American pilots made every air raid a time of excitement. She crossed the ocean back home to her family. But they had retired to roads of a Sunday. A Sunday? I think it's going to rain again. Stop panicking. Trust the daffodils. I think they're lying. Be patient. Wait and see. They wouldn't want to lose their heads. May Day's different. It's Pan's what? It's Pan's delight. All the rules go out the window. I can't stand this. I can't stand the suspense. What? Why did that thing just fall on my head? Am I going to the old Crow Tower? I don't know. I don't know. I've got too much to do here, to be honest. Like looking after my poor plants. I might go later on. when you're all asleep. It's true. Last time I went, a tree fell on my head. I'll tell you another mystery. Why do I keep finding all these snail shells with nothing inside them? I've got a little collection going over here. Look. One. I'll just hang them up. That's pan tipping. Two. Two ones a pan. Three. I'll put it there to trick myself. Oh, I know what I'm supposed to be doing. Cleaning up the dog mess. I'm watching the sky. La 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 la. And the daffodils. I know they're not called daffodils, but I know what they are. That'd make a good home for a spider, wouldn't it? Creeping Dennis, or whatever it's called. Did I tell you I found another one earlier on? I kept him in a jar for 5 minutes and then I popped him out the gate. I thought, you know what, I don't know who you are either, but I felt him getting really cross when I popped him in the jar. So I stuck him out the back. And then stamped my foot just to give him the idea that I could have trodden on him if I wanted to. Or did he look like a giant red ant? What have I come in for? Oh, what have I come in for? I hate that. I literally can't remember. Go back out and see if I can think. Oh, I know. I'm going to clear up the dog mess. Da, 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 da. Across the ocean. Put some more seeds in. I don't know if I've got any more seeds. I have to plant some more Mayday. Go through the pot and see what I can find. The spring onion's coming up anyway. Well, they'd come up anyway, but they're coming up a bit more. Lived in a world full of age reservations on most big notches. She say that she's subtle. The friends that left us to drink from the water. I think this tissue's big enough. Oh, I know what else happened yesterday. I saw, wait, the chives of getting flowers on. Let's go and have a look at that in a second. I like that because the bees like those as well, don't they? Oh, lovely nonsense. Beaten by moss. It's funny. It's funny to me. Oh yeah. Look, I noticed yesterday. This one's got a little flower coming with that purple top, but they open up and they're cute. And then I've just, after remembering it, I've just noticed there's some coming over here as well. They came out of and there's another one. That was just the pot that I'd bought from Sainsbury's, I think, actually, in the reduced section the other year. And then I just split them up because I don't really use chives that often. But I just pull them back and then split it into 3 and then plant it around and then split it again, I think. And that's the other bit. I chopped that right down the other week. I should probably do the others as well. But leave it. The flowers are coming. The bees need something different to eat. They're sick of what? Dandelions. Sick to death of dandelions. Well, they haven't changed. I might leave the washing inside for now until it's baking hot. Right, I'm gonna have a cup of tea, and then I'll make a cup of coffee, and then I might make some lunch or something. I don't know. Not seeing the spider again, no. Oh, I remember what the first bird I heard was this morning. It was the great tit. So they eat spiders as well, don't they? I think invertebrate. I learnt the sound of its call. Am I sure it wasn't a coal tit rather than a great tit? Do you know? No, I'm not. I've forgotten, actually. But there was one in the garden this morning, and I think it was... Do you know what? I think it was a great tit. I was looking at it because it was bizarre. I think it had a wash on one side, because one side of it looks a bit like yellow, and the other side looks a bit like brownie. It was wearing a mask. It was wearing a mask. Right. Little Zorro. La, 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 la. That's it. I just wanted to tell you about my weather predicting in case anyone else wants to do that today. It's kind of fun. Well, you know, for old bitches like me.